Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix not working on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search Android. Click on storage and cache and clear cache Android. After clear cache Android, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, the last solution is software update. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix not working on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.